solve numerical question 1. Question number 1, do it yourself from the chapter Admission of a Partner related to goodwill valuation concept. First, see the question. A firm's profit for the last 3 years are 5 lakh, rupees 4 lakh, and 6 lakhs. Calculate the value of the firm goodwill on the basis of 4-year purchase of the average profit for the last 3 years. So, 3 years profit is given, and the goodwill is we have to calculate on the basis of 4 years purchase period. Solution is average profit equal to total of the last 3 years profit divided by number of years. Whereas the average profit, if you substitute 5 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 6 lakhs divided by 3, so it will be 15 lakh divided by 3. The average profit is 5 lakh. Whereas the goodwill, we have to calculate average profit into number of year of purchase. So if you do it, the average profit is 5 lakh. The number of years of purchase mentioned in the question is 4. Therefore, the goodwill of the firm is 20 lakh. Very simple again. So I hope it is easy and simple to understand. Thank you.